Welcome back to Lightning Tutorials, Canva edition. These tutorials are short, sweet, and to the point, so let's jump in. Okay, so you may have noticed I also have a background image right here, and I can move that around a little bit, and it's a football field. Let's say I want something different there, okay? So let's say I want this bowl of cat food on the left side here. This is a very interesting school newsletter. I'm going to drag that over here, and whoa, okay. So that is not exactly what happened when I dragged the switch over. Notice how that is faded. It works as a background banner. What happened? Well, that is due to what's called a frame. Now, frames are pretty cool. Let me show you how to use frames on a different page. Let's say I want to add a page to my newsletter. Just click Add Page, and I get a nice blank page that has the purple theme. Well, if I want to use a frame, to access frames, I stay in Elements on the left side here, but I scroll down until I see Frames. Let's take this circle frame and place it right here. Maybe I want it to bleed off the page a little bit. I will just place it right there. Now I can take an image, and the image that I want is this cat bowl. I'll take that cat bowl, drop it in the frame, and it frames the cat bowl. Now, there are all kinds of cool things you can do with frames because there are a ton of them. So I can scroll through here, I can click See All and see every single frame that's available to me. But notice right here, this is a frame that's been torn in half. So I will click that and drag it over here. Like an image, you can manipulate it, make it bigger, make it smaller, shift it, spin it around a little bit. I'm going to scroll back up. See this photo of a cat? Let's go ahead and put that cat on the left side here. There we go. See this dog? Let's go ahead and take that dog, put that dog on the right side here. Ooh, that looks like a strange cat-dog hybrid. I'm not sure why you would have this particular image. Maybe the dog and the cat were best friends once upon a time and their relationship went south. Whatever reason, this is how you can manipulate the frames that you have at your disposal. And again, if you don't use the frame and you just dragged this dog over here, then the entire image would show up. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can make it bleed off the page. However you want to manipulate that, you are able to do so. You can also come up here to edit the image. You can crop it. Click Done when you're satisfied with it. You can flip it horizontally or vertically. You can click Edit Image and make it brighter, turn the color contrast down, turn the saturation up. Again, I don't know why you would want your image to look like this. However, if you play around with it long enough, you can get your image to look exactly how you want it to look. You can add filters to it. And if you click See All, you'll see even more. You can increase the intensity of the colors, decrease the intensity of the colors. I can come down here and use all kinds of manipulation to make it look exactly how I want it to look. Again, I am not sure who would create a newsletter that looks like this, but hopefully what you've seen here is you have a ton of options at your disposal. So there you have it, a very basic overview of how to make something in Canva and make it your own. Enjoy.